just fur. I don't know. Is this a video or? That's bright. Is that a picture?
Thank you very much. I'm very happy.
Hope you can't see my cleavage. This is the best part. Dinosaur tattoos. Look at that. So badass.
Whoa!
Her toy is like all the way over there. And now she'll care.
Well, that was fun, guys.
Thanks for this gift.
Thanks, Jared. Love you, man.